yeah, I don't need to get that close.
Oh, fuck. This. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Let me see.
This one's big as shit.
Okay, get him out.
Hold on. Nah, let me hold that one. Hi, baby. Yeah, no.
Oh, so you're going to need a really big tank.
Oh, we're going to... we might mess around and need more than one. Do you see how big that one is?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, Mom. This one's a baby. Look at the one he's about to pull out.
How you going to be scared of something you asked for?
I didn't ask for that one. Yeah, look at him. He's like, whoa.
Yeah, he's big.
Yeah, go ahead. Pull him out. You gotta sit down. He looks like he's at least a couple months old. He's a hatchling in my hand. This is a baby in my hand. He's so soft, though.
He's shedding.
Cause that's a big motherfucker. Lord have mercy. Look at him. I can hear him scratching. Hold up. That one says 0. Is he trying to run?
He's crawling around.
Oh, damn.
Come on.
What are we gonna do with 2?
What is the color? Are they both the same?
No, this one's gonna grow up to be gold, and that one's gonna grow up to be red. Oh my god!
I'm trying to get him out. He's like attached to this bag. Come on, he's shedding too.
Look at how big he is! Compared to the small one in my hand. Look at that!
The big one should be called torture.
Yes! That one's torture.
Are they able to be in the same cage?
They have no choice.
No, one might try to kill the other.
Yeah, that one's the boy. You see how big that one is?
Mm-hmm. He's shedding too.
Oh! We're gonna have... Oh my gosh, it's like finding out you're pregnant with twins.